Hello and welcome to Intellegration once again. We're going to do another demonstration of the reciprocating saw, but instead of just being held on the stand, this time we're going to show how it can be suspended from a crane hook or a hoist hook and still do the cutting operation. Additionally, sawzalls typically, or reciprocating saws, typically have the ability to do a plunge cut. So we want to demonstrate that as well. So, as before, we've locked the switch in. Now it's ready to go with the foot switch. So we're going to go to the other end here. Clay's going to operate the hoist for us, and we're going to lift it off the stand here and get close to in position. Pulling the trolley over there, and let's go down a little bit, Clay. That's good. Let me kind of get a motion here. Okay, you're going to have to go probably, well, go down a little bit more. A little more. Okay, that's good. So we're going to try a plunge cut right in here, and I just want the ability to swing up like this. Okay, so I can pivot on that hoist hook right about there. So let's see if this will work just fine. All right, here we go. So there's a couple demonstrations of the reciprocating saw being able to plunge cut and then slice off another piece of wood. Thank you very much.